Hey guys, this is Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. Coming back to you again. There we go. Is that better? Going to do a little video here. I wanted to talk about what do all the insurance companies, and I'm referring to the ones that write homeowners claims, policies, and automobile. What is the one common denominator that they have when they do their advertising, their marketing? Anybody have any ideas about that? If you think about, can you picture any commercials that an insurance company has done in the past? There are several, and they're fairly active. I mean, as far as the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of insurance companies, you don't see all of them advertise. But the ones that are active doing it, can you picture what's their message? What are they trying to convey to you? Some of the jingles that we're familiar with is there's something that talks about being in good hands, right? There's another one that they're like a neighbor. As a matter of fact, like a good neighbor, right? There's another jingle about they're on your side. What are all these words? What do they convey to you as a homeowner? They sort of tell you that they got your back, right? Don't worry about it. You're covered. We're your friend. We're going to help you. When you need something, just call us. We're there for you. Not necessarily the case that typically happens, the experience that people have. You have a claim and you have a situation where you call up. Sometimes you're going to be right on the phone. You're going to have, you have no coverage for that. We can't help you. Other times we'll send out one of our representatives. The insurance adjuster will be out, and he'll come and let's see how we can help you. It ends up, if he doesn't deny it while he's out there, then normally you will be getting cents on a dollar. He will see X amount of damage, and it's not going to be very positive for you. So where am I going with all this? There's a lot of money. We're talking about hundreds of millions of dollars every year spent from the insurance company to advertise, to market to you, to assure you, to convince you, to get you on their side as they're on yours, to understand that everything's fine. If there's something that happens, you will be taken care of. And I agree with that. You will be taken care of. But if we define taking care of, what are we speaking of here? It ends up, you won't just be ignored. They will address the issue, but you're going to not get the results you were really looking for. So where a public adjuster, where a public adjuster comes in, there's where a difference can be made. Just remember, there's a lot of money spent on advertising for a reason. And they know it, that it is extremely effective. I can't tell you how many times I talk to people and they'll tell me, oh, I have such and such company. They're a big company. They'll take care of things. Or, oh, well, we have, and I've never had a problem with them. Sometimes I ask them, sometimes I don't, but I'll say, well, how many claims have you had? And they'll say, well, I really haven't had any claims. And I say, okay, and I leave it at that. I don't want to make anybody seem foolish, or I'm not there to embarrass anybody. I'm there to help people. But, when you tell me that your company has always treated you fairly, you've never had any problems with them, you can't say anything bad, and in the next sentence you come right out and confess, I've never actually had a claim, then how can you make the original statements? You've never had the opportunity for them to do something to you, and you don't know. Remember, insurance is a business. So what does that mean? The insurance companies are out there to make money. And there's nothing wrong with that. They're allowed to make money. That's the business that they've gone into. As a store goes in and sells different products to consumers, they're there to make money too. The point is, you need to, as a homeowner, go into this thing with your eyes wide open, understanding that if you're not looking out for your best interest, you cannot rely on the insurance company to be looking out for your best interest. The insurance company is looking out for their best interest. And that normally does not coincide with yours. So, guys, I want to give you some food for thought. A lot of money spent on advertising. The message that's in there is always telling you how, the way I put it, they will lull you into a false sense of security that everything will work out if you ever have an issue. Call us up. We'll take care of it. We're here for you. Unfortunately, I see way too many times that that's not the case. So I hope that you've learned something. I hope that you'll give this some thought in the future. Next time when you watch a commercial, listen to what that message is. Okay? What are they conveying to you? And if you would you give me one of these, maybe? If you would you share this? Let somebody else see it too. They might learn something from it. If you haven't subscribed, would you please subscribe to this? My contact information is 610-213-8820. Or my email is stevewolbach at ymail, that's the letter Y, mail.com. And Wolbach is spelled Wolbach, Wolbach. That's pretty much it. Guys, I hope you'll like this, and you'll continue to watch other videos that I put out. Have yourselves a great day, and God bless you.